Hello guys, I am really excited to be back at Brooklyn College.
Dr. Ekwudike graduated in 2013 from Brooklyn College with a bachelor's degree in mathematics. He then went on to earn a master's degree in applied mathematics from City College in 2015.
First of all, thank you for moderating this. The single most important skill that I learned from mathematics is the problem solving skill. The most important thing you can do is to develop practical experience. I took one internship and that internship changed my entire life. I would encourage all of you to do more internship because it's going to do two things. Number one, it's going to give you work experience. It's going to help you discover what it is that you like to do. So